Welcome to the first episode of the Physical Theory Lecture for the Academia Hargeisa Universalis. This is your lecture. This is your lecturer, Mr. Aw-Abdi. I'm the chancellor of the first international online and YouTube university based in Masalaha on the outskirts of Hargeisa, Somaliland's capital city. This is the variant of the Big Bang lecture, and I will make a speech about it. Before I do it, why don't you follow me on Twitter, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what to do at your university, click the like button, and ring the notification bell. So, let's go. Theoretical physics is a branch of physics that employs mathematical models and abstractions of physical objects and systems to rationalize, explain, and predict natural phenomena. This is a contrast to experimental physics, which use experimental tools to probe these phenomena. There is some debate as to whether or not theoretical physics uses mathematics to put intuition and restrictiveness to exact physical insight, especially when normal experience fails. Rather than as a tool for formalizing theories, this links to the question of using money is less more rigorous and more intuitive and heuristic way than say mathematical physics. For example, while developing special relativity, Albert Einstein was concerned with the Lorentz transformation, which left Maxwell's equations invariant. This was very uninterested in the Michelson-Morley experiment on nerves drift through the luminiferous ether. Conversely, Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize for explaining the photoelectric values previously an experimental result lacking a theoretical formulation.